Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to access zip file or extract zip file. So here we can check we don't have any software to extract this zip file. So we will install a software that will help us to extract this zip file. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for downloading that software, open your browser, search zip file extractor. Here you will get very first link, https www.winrar.com. click on that link, click on download WinRAR, again download WinRAR. Guys, it's 100% free, so you don't have to pay any single penny for using it. So here you can see it has been downloaded. I will run it. Click on yes, click on install, click on OK, click on done. So it has been successfully installed. Now we will extract this zip file. Here you can see now all the options are available, so I will extract by extract here. Here all the files are extracted. Now you can access any directory or any file. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.